What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs with Dijs University, and in this video I have an exciting announcement because now you have the opportunity to get monthly recurring revenue through subscriptions. So Dijs opened their official affiliate program, which means on every single sale you make, you get 40% commission. And as long as the membership runs every single month, you will get paid. Exclusive right now is that they offer a 14-day free trial. So all you have to do is give your audience, your users, your friends, your cousins, whatever, send them a 14-day free trial link. If they sign up, if they are affiliates, if they're in the affiliate marketing space, they use the tool, they like it, they will pay for the software. You make 40% recurring commissions for every single user you send to Dijs. So let me explain quickly how much you can earn, because monthly recurring revenue is obviously one of the great passive income models. You send the user, the company takes it over, they monetize your leads, they make them stick. The whole support you don't have to think about, you don't have to sell products, you just have to recommend Dijs to people who can use it, and that's the way you make once a commission, twice, 3 times, hopefully indefinitely if they don't cancel their plan, obviously. So how much you can earn if you make 10 sales. So for your first 10 sales, this is what it would look like. If you sell 10 times the Explorer plan, which only 47 euros, every single month, if the user sticks, it would give you 470 euros in your bank account every single month. With the starter plan, 970 euros for 10. With the business plan, 2,970. And here is where it becomes interesting. You're running your affiliate marketing campaigns, and every single month, 1,000, almost 3,000, and on the enterprise plan, even almost 5,000 euros gets transferred to your account. And obviously, if you have a good way to promote, if you have an audience, you have a YouTube channel, a blog, you are active in Facebook groups, obviously you can recommend this software and make a lot of money. So customer service being taken care of, the sales, the emailing, the payments, everything is done for you. All you have to do is recommend this program. And with 100 sales, obviously you have to put some time in it. Maybe it's 1 month, maybe it's 2 months, maybe it's 5 months, maybe it's 10 months, maybe a year, but you can see there is very big opportunity, right? So with 100 sales on the Explorer plan, you're almost at 5,000 recurring. But look at the enterprise, 50,000 recurring. Business plan is what I would say the most suitable for most affiliate marketers, is 30,000 recurring if you sell 100 plans. But of course there is more. Let's say you don't focus on the monthly subscription, you want the money straight away. So you sell annual subscriptions. If you sell annual subscriptions, you get 40% over the discounted plan. So if people purchase annually, they get a 20% discount off the monthly fee. So it's the monthly fee times 12 minus 20% of the whole amount, and you get 40%. So if you sell 10 starter plans, you instantly receive 1,804 euros. Obviously quite a bit of money, and it stacks up nicely. Even if you are able to promote it to your audience, whether you make YouTube videos, you use ads, you do email marketing, whatever you do, focus on the right audience and it will convert extremely well by providing the 14-day free trial that Dijs offers right now. So if you want to promote this affiliate program, if you want to sign up, there's a link in the description down below. Check it out, and I hope you can add this to your passive income source. Good luck.